Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 3rd of July. It's a Wednesday. Today is Bank Nifty expiry. Thank you so much for tuning in to Stock Daddy 41. So post-market analysis quickly. We had closed yesterday at 52,200 levels, and today it opened a good 600 points gap up, and then it just dipped very fast, and then a sudden U-turn and a big rally, and that is where it ended. 950 was the end of the movement today, and all it did was just range sideways. So whoever shorted 53,100 at 945 collected over 400 points total, and that was a very good option writers paradise for them. So coming to the trades for today, and since at 920 we had the VWAP at 52,500, so let's just go to it. So for safety reasons, 52,500 call option of 10th July expiry. Reason being very simple. The fluctuations on the same day expiry is a lot for me to handle, and that is why I opt to trade safely and I take the next week's expiries. So since this premium at 920 was very high, it just ballooned from 560 all the way to 800 plus. So that is where I took the premium of 5300 call option. Apologies, 53,000 call option. And over here also there was just nothing happening, and it was just a sideways market, not much decay. 945 from 598 to 450, about 140 points decay. So there was no trade basically on the call side. On the put side, however, after the market started to settle for some time, this was where a buy signal was triggered at 10:30 on 52,800 put option. Now I was looking for premiums above 400, so I at that time I couldn't adjust because this candle dropped so quick from almost 400 levels. It dropped over here, and then the buy signal came, so I went with this. So here was the buy at 349, let's say 350. The first target was 377 and the second target was 405. Now over here marginally missed the second target. The high was 399.8. 405 was the second target. It didn't touch it, and then just came back down, and it just started going sideways, no decay at all whatsoever, and then we had to end it over here. So only two lots were squared off over here at the first target. So I'll take you to the Excel sheet now. So here we are, the fifth trade of this month, where we got a buy option on a put, and it was at 10:30 today. 350 round off was the buy level, and 377 was the first exit, where we booked two lots. So there we booked 54 points actually, because we booked two lots over there. So cumulatively per lot is 54. So now we are 344 points. My target is 3000. We are 10% of the way, and on 3 days of trading. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.